If you want to know how you can do cable repair or maintenance jobs using a handheld hot air gun with no cords or cables, then you probably should watch this video. Today's question: how does a gas-powered cordless hot air gun work? But first, let me put on my gloves. So now, let me show you. You screw the cartridge into the hot air gun. It's very quick and very easy. Then, you turn the knob, you can hear the gas flow, then you pull the trigger for the quick start of the gas ignition. The hot air gun creates heat immediately. You don't have to wait for it to warm up. And you can work in any direction. The hot air gun is lightweight, compact, and handy. And the integrated standing pad lets you work completely hands-free and in a vertical position. Unlike a blowtorch, the hot air gun does not work with the flame, but rather with the hot air. And that hot air gets up to 900 degrees centigrade. And that's what makes it ideal for any heat shrink application. You get up to 90 minutes of operating time. That's a long time. Think how many applications that would be. It's a lot of applications. It's a real lot of applications. So, now it's time to show you. The hot air gun can be used not only with heat shrink tubing, but also with heat shrink wire markers, heat shrink molded shapes, end caps, cable repair sleeves. When it's time to replace the cartridge, make sure the hot air gun is completely turned off and cooled down. You simply unscrew the cartridge. The self-sealing valve assures that no gas escapes even if the cartridge is not completely empty. Then, you screw the new cartridge into the hot air gun, and then you're done after a few seconds and ready to go. So whenever you're working in a remote location with no access to electric power, whether in a shipyard, in a railway depot, or in the dizzying heights of a wind turbine, or even in freezing temperatures, make sure you have a CHG900 hot air gun in your toolbox. If you like this video, then please like us and subscribe to our channel and keep up to date on all our application tools and keep your competitive edge.